Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to get free coins on Dramabox. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. Just note that this Dramabox uses a coin system for unlocking premium content. So you don't always have to spend real money, you can earn free coins using simple in-app tasks or bonuses. So step 1. Of course, open the application and make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on the coins or wallet icon. This can be found on the upper left corner. A coin icon or a selection labeled My Wallet or Earn Coins. Tap it up on your dashboard. Step 3. Watch advertisements or ads to get free coins. So watch an ad to earn the coins or daily bonus ads. So for this one, it should really take about 30 seconds to finish that one. And you can often watch multiple ads per day. So check back regularly. Step 4. Check in daily for rewards. Tap in Daily Check or Daily Login Bonus section. Each day you log in and tap on the check-in button, you earn free coins. Now this is going to be a lot more rewards if you do it consecutively. Next up, invite friends to earn extra coins. By inviting friends option or referral, you can get coins if they accept and sign up. Step 6. Complete bonus tasks if available, like rating the application, downloading a partner application, or completing a quiz or feedback form. You can find this under the Earn More or Task applications. And basically, 7. Use coins to unlock premium content. Once you have earned your coins, unlock the content that you need with no payment needed. Just a reminder, you have to log in daily. Alright? So that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.